Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 15th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2024. It is spooky season, my friends. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a great punch recipe. Last year for Christmas, I have made a lime sherbet punch. And since this is Halloween, I figured why not make an orange sherbet punch? So that's what I'm going to make. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of orange flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and perfect to serve at your Halloween party. Everybody will be going back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Southern Fried Apples. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your punch bowl, your orange sherbet, and your orange juice sugar, because we're about to make some orange sherbet punch magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 quart of orange sherbet. Alrighty, and into our sherbet, we're going to add in 4½ cups of fresh orange soda. Now we're going to add in 2 3/4 cups of orange juice. And last but not least, we're going to add in some orange slices and some maraschino cherries. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Orange sherbet punch. Doesn't that look good? And how simple and easy was that? So now I'm about to pour some into my glass, and it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Crisp, refreshing, and I can taste the orange soda and the orange juice and the orange sherbet. I'm in orange heaven. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Orange sherbet punch-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Much love and happy Halloween. Cheers.